Never learned about George Washington. Everyone knows him, but you know George Washington Carver. Why do people always remember him? George Washington Carver was important to the world because he helped the South grow their plants. He also made the plants healthier. Without him, we would easily die. For example, we need fruits, vegetables, water, and meat to survive. Farms, gardens, he made them healthier so we can eat them. If we did not do that, we wouldn't be able to sell them, and they might make us sick. When was George born? George was born in Diamond, Missouri, January 1st, 1864. George had a hard childhood because his father died when he was a little boy. He was also kidnapped with his sister and his mother. Can you relate to one of your family members being kidnapped? George was sold by an agent of Moses Carver and returned back to Missouri. How did George Washington Carver get famous? He got famous by making peanut butter, as most people think. Well, he did not do that. He did a lot of peanut and peanut butter work. He was known as the Peanut Man. George Washington Carver also achieved a champion of crop rotation and agricultural education. Did George Washington Carver ever influence STEAM in his lifetime? George Washington Carver influenced STEAM by a lot. He discovered 300 peanut and other things. The most likely thing that he did was soybeans, pecan, and sweet potatoes. What can you learn from George Washington Carver? You can be just like George Washington Carver. What I'm trying to say, you can always be remembered. And you can be what you want.